How to create Cpagrip landing page with Canva step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be going ahead and creating a Cpagrip landing page. Okay, now what is Cpagrip? Let me talk to you about that. So Cpagrip is a platform which is great for content locking and affiliate networking. Okay, so basically, great retrospect, it's mostly about affiliate marketing and, traffic analytics and all. So, how are we going to create a landing page for that? Now, as you can see in front of you, I have Canva opened. So, clearly, we are going to be using canva.com. Okay, and canva.com, in my opinion, is one of the best softwares out there, which allow you to go ahead and actually create some really good marketing schemes. And we're going to be using it to its full depth. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get the whole gist and concept of how this is going to work. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to get into some promo designing. So to get some promo designing, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Canva and we're going to write add creative like this. Now, once you write out creative, you're just going to click on this simple thing over here. And as we click on that, it gives us all these templates over here that we can work with. So these are all add creative templates. And these are going to be used as our landing pages. Okay. And the reason I'm using add creative templates for my landing page is because it just works much better than a normal landing page and it gives us much better look at the templates. So let's first of all go ahead and go with a template that would be good for our affiliate marketing. So let's go on ahead with obviously go with a free one. If you have Canva Pro, you can go with the pro ones, but I would much rather prefer if I had a more, clear free one. So let's go ahead. You know what? Let's first add the free filter. So I can only get the free ones. Okay, I don't really want them to be paid. So there we go. I'm adding free. Click on apply. And here you can start getting all these templates. So let's go ahead and add ourselves a nice template in our design. So let's go with, you know what? Let's go with this one. Okay, we have this basic template over here. This is a bit big for a landing page, so you can add a much smaller one, but we can always mess with it later. You know what? Let's go with this. This is a good size for a template. It has a good coloring scheme in it as well. So I'm going to simply click on customize this template. Now, once you click on customize this template, obviously we're going to go ahead and add different PNGs in this, add different elements in this. So the elements that we're going to be adding are, I'm just going to walk you through them. I'm going to show you what kind of working we're going to be doing, what kind of elements we'll be adding. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these texts. You know what? I'm going to keep this text over here because it has a good font. So let's bring these over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into element and you're going to write something like, let's say, dollar. And once you write dollar, you can see you start getting different elements and different photos for dollars. So you can actually choose off graphics. You can choose off these. So let's say I have these elements over here. Let's choose a free one. So let's go with this. Okay. So you're going to add this. I'm going to rotate it a bit like this. And I'm going to bring it up here, make it a bit bigger. I'm going to add it like this. Then you're going to take another scheme that you have. Okay, I'm going to revert this like this, make it smaller, pop it out from here. So there we go. Now we've added, the general design. And now you can add something like win 800, 800 today. And you can actually go ahead, do sectioning like this. Make sure that the whole design is, yeah, there we go. And let me just bring this down here. We're going to keep this in a place that doesn't really, object with things. So let's keep it like this. I'm going to increase the font size and I am going to go ahead and make the listing a bit shorter. There we go. That looks good. Line spacing. Let's go ahead and make that smaller. And once you do this, you can see that this is overpowering that. So how are we going to make this better? What you're going to do is you're going to come over to position and we're going to push this forward. And I'm going to bring this a bit down here. Okay. Or here. So clearly people will know that it says win $800 today. Then you can add some type of CTA or click to action button. So let's say I'm going to write click here. So once you do that, now you're going to add some type of button. So I'm going to go here and write button. There we go. And here we can start getting some button graphics. Just go ahead and choose a free button graphic. Let's go with this. This looks pretty nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it so that it fits. There we go. And then you're going to add some text over this. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here. Once you copy paste that, what we're going to do from there is we're going to bring this over here. There we go. And once we do this, I'm going to write something over here. Like, let's say this could be any CTA of yours. Then you're going to choose this text. I'm going to go into the text coloring section. I'm going to make this a bit dark, and there you go. So win $100 today. You can obviously add some textures in the backgrounds. I'm going to go ahead and write texture. It's going to give us different textured backgrounds, and you can add any one of these, okay, whatever you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this one, or let's add this one over here. So obviously clearly right now you can't see it because it's black, but I'm simply going to go ahead, go on position. I'm going to take this back. There we go. Now it's into the design. Now you're going to go to the color of it. And once we go to the color, obviously I took it a bit too back, so I'm going to bring it forward, back. Yeah, there we go. So now as you can see, it's cemented into the design. You can move this around, obviously, make it bigger. Now, if it's too overpowering, you can obviously go into the opacity, mess with that. So there you go. Win $800 today. Click here. There's your CTA. Here's your PNG. Obviously, I'm going to make this one a bit bigger. There we go. So once you've created a proper promo design, what you're simply going to do from there is you're going to click on share. You're going to click on download. Obviously, download it as a PNG so you can actually add this into your landing page. And once you do this and you download it, you're pretty much good to go. So you have a proper marketing design for your Cpagrip landing page. And once you've downloaded this over here, you can simply come back to this, create a basic page on Cpagrip. We're going to come to Cpagrip over here. Now, whatever affiliate network or page you have in your Cpagrip, you can add this design easily over there. And that is basically the general idea of how you're going to create a landing page design using Canva for Cpagrip. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.